Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Hare Krishna. Kartik month Mahatmya story, chapter 25. Listen to Dharmadatta ji's statement and further description of the 24th story. By doing good deeds like charity and fasting in a pilgrimage, a person's sins are destroyed, but you are in the body of a ghost, hence you do not have the right to do those deeds. Therefore, I give you half of the virtue of the Kartik fast that I have observed since my birth till now, so that you can attain salvation through that. Saying this, as soon as Dharmadatta anointed her with water mixed with tulsi while making her listen to the Dwadashakshar mantra, she was freed from the ghostly form and became a goddess with a radiant and divine form, like a burning flame of fire, and started to resemble Goddess Lakshmi in beauty. Therefore, she fell on the ground like a stick and bowed to the Brahman deity and said in a joyful voice, O best of the two, today I got freed from this hell with your blessings. I was drowning in the sea of sin, and you became like a boat for me. She was thus telling the Brahmin that a divine plane was seen descending from the sky. It was very bright and had counselors of Sri Hari Vishnu. Purnashil and Sushil, who were standing at the door of the aircraft, picked up the goddess and boarded her on the best aircraft. Then Dharmadatta looked at that aircraft with great surprise, and after seeing the counselors in the form of Vishnu, he prostrated himself. Purnashil and Sushil picked up the Brahmin who saluted them and praised him and said, O best of the Dvijas, thank you because you are always ready to worship Lord Vishnu. Have mercy on the poor, are omniscient, and observe the fast of Sri Vishnu. By donating half of the Kartik fast that you have been observing since childhood, you have received double the virtue, and the sins of hundreds of births have been destroyed. Now she is being taken to Vaikuntha Dham. At the end of this birth, you too will go to Lord Vishnu's Vaikuntha Dham along with your two wives and attain liberation. Dharmadatta, those who have worshipped Lord Vishnu with devotion like you are blessed and grateful. Only their birth in this world is successful. What does Lord Vishnu not give to embodied beings when worshipped properly? It was he who had installed Uttanpad's son on Dhruvpad in earlier times. By merely remembering their names, all living beings attain salvation. In earlier times, Gajraj, who was suffering from depression, was freed by remembering their names. Neither yajna nor charity nor pilgrimage is greater than the Kartik fast that you have performed since birth to satisfy Sri Hari Vishnu. Vipravar, you are blessed because you have observed Kartik fast to please Jagadguru Sri Hari Vishnu. After getting half of which this woman is going to God's world with us. Kartik month Mahatmya story chapter 25 is completed. श्रीमन नारायण 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 भजमन नारायण 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 लक्ष्मी नारायण 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 सत्य नारायण 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 श्रीमन नारायण 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 भजमन नारायण नारायण नारायण